When someone is dispassionate, they keep their emotions in check. Dispassionate means not letting strong feelings cloud your judgment. It's all about being fair and impartial. Think of a referee in a sports game. They are supposed to be dispassionate, making decisions purely based on rules without favoring any team. Being dispassionate is about being rational, neutral, impartial, unemotional, and objective. By the way, all these are the loose synonyms for the word dispassionate. Let's dive into the different ways you might encounter the word dispassionate. First up, you have the adjective form, dispassionate. It also happens to be the most commonly used one. Then there's the adverb form, dispassionately, which describes how something is done, like when someone speaks or acts without emotions. And finally, there's the noun form, dispassion. It refers to the state of being dispassionate. Let's have some examples to understand this word better. The judge was dispassionate as she heard the case. His dispassionate tone made it hard to guess his feelings. He spoke dispassionately about the city's challenges. He argued dispassionately without letting emotions get in the way. The critic reviewed the film dispassionately, ignoring his personal preferences. His dispassion was apparent during the negotiations. She handled the critique with dispassion. To summarize, dispassionate refers to the ability to keep emotions in check, allowing for fair and impartial judgment. It embodies qualities like rationality, neutrality, and objectivity, making it essential for roles that require unbiased decision making. Remember, dispassionate is the adjective, dispassionately is the adverb, and dispassion is the noun.
Vocabulary flex, Mr. Rishav in the mix. Wordsmith wizard got the class getting fixed. Dropping gems daily, filling notebooks thick. Classroom lit, knowledge sticking like bricks. Mr. Rishav.